Hello, everyone. I would like to Hello, everyone. I would like to give a quick update of today's market. Currently, dollar is um, hovering at around 104.37. So it recently had the weekly breakout, and which is confirmed, weekly confirmed breakout. Then recently it has retested uh, and ready to fly so far. So as you can see that uh, last 2022 it traded around 114 level, then came all the way to 100 level and tested that level 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then it broke that trend and then retested, broke, retesting, and then if the next leg goes up, then this is risk on time for the stock market. So as you know that stock market goes inverse to the dollar. So if the dollar gets stronger, stock market gets weaker. So as you can see that daily it has broken yesterday, and then yesterday it retested nicely. So as you can see, this is the region that 103, 104 region. It broke, retested, broke down, retested, retested, and then broke down, retested, broke up, and then this trend line has been retested recently, yesterday, and then now ready to go up. As you can see, it is going up. RSI, you can see that RSI is also, it has more scope to go higher. So if it goes higher around, I think that it will go around 105 at least, and then get the liquidity, and then we will evaluate from there what is going to do after that. So so far the stock market is reacting. That as you can see that this is SPX. So as you can see, this is the trend line coming from all the way from October 2023, and then this is the retested around January 2024, and this is the previous high of the stock market around December 2021, the previous cycle, and then it has not been retested until then. It was flying, flying, and flying since last October 23. Is it never retested anything, so it was just going up and up. So there are a lot of fuel, but recently this was the trend, and that trend has been broken here. So a little bit of analysis TA here. So this was the trend line, and then you can see that it broke down, but it has not been retested. Retested means it should close below this previous bottom, but instead it goes up, came back, goes up, broke down, but never confirmed, broke up, broke down, didn't confirm, broke up, then it again broke down. You can see here broke down, but here it confirmed. This is the confirmation. This is the first weakness the SPX has shown. And then what happened when this thing happens? So there is no guarantee that whether it will be broken right away, but there is more 75% chance that it will go down. So from there, what happened is that it went up, retested, but again broke down, then again going up, 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 retested, and one time it broke up but never confirmed. It is still bearish here, and then again broke down, down, confirmed. This is another confirmation. Okay, then broke up, retested, it could not go up, and then broke down. And then yesterday there was big breaking, and then today it is trying to show little bit up, but eventually the probability is more towards downward than upward. But then there is a second there is a second support over here. So if it breaks down, then the support will come this line around 5,100 region, and if it breaks down, then it goes all the way back to 4,822 range for retesting that zone since last year. So this is the situation. As you know that NVIDIA has been running in this year quite some time, and as you can see that it has been running since January and never stopped up. But then suddenly here, this is the place where it broke down, didn't confirm, retested. This is the confirmation. Okay, so this is the confirmation, and then tried to go up, could not, big candle down. But one thing to notice that the volume is not really so high. So that means that there is still some possibility to get bounce from this the support. Okay, so notice the reaction around 830. So that will say what is going to happen. And about gold, as if you are following my channel, I mentioned gold since last year that there is a very good time for gold is coming, and gold is likely to be dark horse. It broke down, retested the monthly level, and then going up and up. But then if you notice that since the around 1980, it was going up until 2011. And if you join these two region, these 2 points, then you get a possibly upper high around 2,330, around that zone. So please check the reaction at that time. Likely it will break up little bit, and then it may come down. So time will say when it will touch that line, we will reevaluate how it is performing. So then a quick analysis of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as you know, that it has been running since quite a long time. So, and then recently it broke the support a little bit and retested, again broke down today, and again retesting. So now the previous high, as you can see, this is something very interesting, that it has been trading around the previous high. Previous high was 69,000 from 2021. So first it broke up, then this is the first breaking, and then it didn't confirm. Confirm means it should close above the previous high. It didn't confirm, it came down, close here. Closing is the important, close here. And again it went up. This is the time it confirmed. Okay, but in the next candle, again it went down, now breakdown. Now it is still not confirmed. Okay, so that means that move is still upward, but then next candle it didn't confirm. This is the confirmation candle. Okay, it closed below, but then there was another support. It bounced back and but could not go up, then again come down, bounce back up. Now again it broke up, but still it didn't confirm. It didn't confirm. Confirm means it should close above this, but in this candle it confirmed, but in the next candle it went down again. So some big player is actually unloading and pushing the price up a little bit, and again unloading, pushing the price up a little bit, and again unloading. So I think that this is some big player or institutional level who are unloading at that time. But still there are a lot of support down there. So if Bitcoin breaks this line around 65,000, 64,000 zone, then there is something to worry about. Then you need to look at this around 60,000 zone, and if it breaks, then there are a lot of downside. So for the Ethereum is actually not performing so well with respect to Bitcoin. As you know that this is Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So let's go to the very high time frame. So Ethereum with respect to Bitcoin, there was the support from last bear market. So and you can see that it is almost breaking. It broke down weekly, but it is not confirmed yet. So we need to wait until the weekly closes. Daily, also we need to wait today how Ethereum perform Bitcoin. So it is broken but not confirmed yet, also daily. So this is very important chart, I think. So and the other important chart, I think, is the total 2 minus USDT by Bitcoin. So with the total 2, how total 2 is performing without USDT with respect to Bitcoin. So we see that there is the support, which is insane support, has been testing since 2023 October, and it is coming back again to retest. So if it breaks down, then this is the final support. Then I think that altcoin will be bleeding so much with respect to Bitcoin. As you can already see, the mm, the let me, as you can see that there is already the bubble is already lot of red bubbles in this today, but there are some bubbles who are turning to green. So Pendle, BCH, Near, Tone, or they are becoming green, but there are big red candle. Most of the market is red. Yesterday it was even more red. Today it recovered a little bit. The fact AI token, which has been running so much, so that has been red. So I think that until the Fed cuts the rate, it is still Bitcoin will be still performing better than altcoin. But if Bitcoin bleeds, altcoin will be bleeding more times than Bitcoin. So this is the risk on market. So the market is in risky zone. So until Fed start cutting rate, there is no hope much for the altcoin. There are few altcoin which will be bouncing little by little, but they will not do so much. So and in terms of so that is total 2. And another market update is the bond market. So bond market is little bit up today, and yesterday when dollar started getting strength, the bond market also started increasing. The relation between bond market and share market is inverse. So if bond market increases, stock market decreases. Then VIX is the indicator for the VIX is the measure of the how risky it is, how risky market it is. If VIX is lower, that means the stock market is it is good for stock market. It shows the strength of the stock market then. But if it spikes, so whenever it spikes, then it is like very bad for, I mean, the stock market will be bleeding at that time. Okay, so but recently we see that it started rising again here. So that means that the stock market, it is not good for stock market if it start rising above around 18. All right. So Ethereum is also like bleeding. As you can see, now it is 33,020. Sorry, 33,320. So I think that it will at least retest around 27,000 zone. if Bitcoin slips to 60,000. So please check this. Bitcoin dominance is very important. So Bitcoin dominance has been testing this. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance has been testing this 54 zone for a long time. But now you can see that weekly it is breaking. We need to wait for the weekly close. So if it closes outside, then next week will be fun for the Bitcoin. So what does it mean? That the altcoin will be bleeding more than the Bitcoin. So if this this breaks up. So please watch this these two range. Does it close below 53 or does it close above 55? If it close above 55, then the altcoin will have very bad time, difficult time. Okay, and if it close below 53, then altcoin might have another chance. It is a very pivotal zone, so it is like dictating if it will break up or break down. So as you know that in the bear market, Bitcoin performs better than altcoin, and in bull market, altcoin perform better than Bitcoin. So as you can see, this is the peak of the previous bull market and bear market, and from there it fell down during the bull market and then again started rising since it was stopped in November 2021. So okay, so and that's it. So I think that look at Bitcoin dominance chart, look at the how SPX react today, how Nvidia react today, and how Ethereum Bitcoin chart it is for crypto. So that will tell how the other altcoin will be behaving. And look at Dixie, where does it close? So I hope it helped to you to understand the situation, and hope to see you next time. Thank you. If you like the content, please hit a like button, follow, share with your friends, and comment below which altcoin do you want to get charted by me. So I will do some of the chart on altcoin in the coming days. So please let me know which is your favorite altcoin. I will chart it for you. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.